Thank you, Chris, for interrupting our video. As punishment, you will now be in it.
Great. Thanks.
You're welcome.
It's used for a lot of baggage trucks on the tarmacs. This particular version in 1996, it has 150 horse and 260 foot-pounds of torque. This is the last year of the Inline 4.9 liter V6, Inline 6. It's a 4-speed automatic transmission, 308 gears in the back. This is only rear-wheel drive. This particular car's only got 36,000 miles on it.
Are you ready to start or what?
Oh yeah, we starting? We should start. You ready?
Well, you didn't even introduce us.
No, I didn't. My name is Christopher, and the guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is a 1996 Ford F-150 XLT. It's got the 4.9 liter, that's 300 cubic inches, inline 6. This motor is actually one of the most durable and bulletproof motors Ford's ever made. They stopped making it in 96, sadly. 150 horsepower, 260 foot-pounds of torque. This is a rear-wheel drive truck. This is, what are they calling this green? Pacific green with silver front accents, forged alloy wheels, radials, factory side steps, factory dual tanks, cruise control tilt wheel, AC, AM, FM, cassette stereo, 40/20/40 split bench seat. Oh, remote key entry. That motor is something else. Normally you don't have a whole lot of V6s here, but
Well, it's not a V6, so.
Inline 6. But we don't have that many, and this is one of the better ones.
We also got a bed liner
Bed liner.
by, what's it called? Pendoliner. That's what it was.
And
And then a
liner.
trifecta bed cover.
Yes. This is obviously a very, very, very well cared for
How
truck.
many miles did you say?
36,000 miles on this truck.
Original miles.
Yes.
Very well
And it's pretty
taken care
obvious
of.
it's original. Look at the inside. Inside's unbelievable. I really didn't know about this engine. I am glad I've learned about it because this is a really great truck.
Even the headliner looks like mint condition. This thing looks like it rolled out of the showroom and then just showed up here.
Yeah. And this is a 96. Were you even born then?
No, I was born in 99.
Wow. So, I feel old, and this truck, it might be older, but boy, it looks fantastic. It really does. Let's go for a spin in it.
So I found the other day that 92% of the people that watch these are not subscribed.
What?
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. Why aren't you subscribed? Just subscribe. You'll see us all the time when you do that.
subscribe and then click the bell
There's a
so
bell.
you get notified when we make these, and then you'll happen upon some of these pristine old trucks.
And you definitely
And a lot
need
of
to
other
take a
different
look at
cars,
it.
like Mustangs and Camaros and Corvettes and
Shelbys
other trucks and Shelbys.
Cobras and backdraft Cobras.
Yeah.
And this truck, though, I had no idea. I've learned a lot about this truck. I'm real excited about driving it.
Yeah.
So like and subscribe for the love of Mike.
Yes, let's
Let's
do
get
it.
going. Let's ride.
Hold on, Chris. We'll let him get it out of here. Thank you, Chris, for interrupting our video. As punishment, you will now be in it.
Great. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Buddy.
You know, it doesn't make a whole lot of noise, but it's smooth.
Oh, and it's reliable. Can't believe they stopped making it. Because, I mean, with all the gas hullabaloo, why not have a great truck with plenty of horsepower and good gas mileage. And durable.
Power windows.
Oh, you gotta love the power windows. I guess I'll put mine
Power
up
windows
there,
and
too.
power locks. Oh, I got the heat on, dude. It's cold today.
It is cold.
And look, there's our cassette radio player. There's our heater controls, very easy to use. It's a very simple time back in 1996.
Yeah, wasn't that much a screw up.
Not a whole lot going on.
And with this engine, my God, it's gonna last forever.
And a lot of the mid to late 90s Fords, and even into the early 2000s, especially the Rangers, a lot of the buttons on these steering wheels would chip and just fall off. This thing, like everything, is in pristine condition. All the plastic looks really nice. Nothing's chipping. Everything's like so very vibrant and new looking.
And this truck's older than you, and I'm telling you right now, it drives like a champ already.
It does.
Is there even any cup holders in here? Is that a cup holder?
Oh, of course there's cup holders, because look, the middle
show me.
the middle seat flips down.
Oh, stop.
And you have cup holders there, so you can either
What?
haul a third person or have storage in an armrest.
What's down here?
Oh, that's
Oh.
a cigarette lighter
Stay
and
away
an
from that,
ashtray
kids.
in case you want to take up smoking, kids.
Don't do it.
Don't smoke. And again, get in there. As well, down here is another charging port right under the dash. You can charge so many things in here.
Even your iPod telephones.
Even your iPod telephone, yes. You also have this nice glove box right here that has some paperwork in it from factory, the owner's manual, and a couple other things.
This is one cool truck.
And we have the window sticker. I believe
You do?
I have a picture of it on the website, yes.
For the love of
with all the options. So this is if you want a brand new-ish 1996 F-150,
with one of the greatest motors ever made by Ford in it.
buy this one.
This is the one. This really is the one.
This engine will outlast you.
It will.
And you know, my parents had a Ford Explorer. I think it was a 96.
Really? I bet
And it was the same color. It was green with silver.
And
or
there were
green and white.
two options, 3.9 or 4.9. This is the 4.9. I bet you that one had a 3.9. Another bulletproof 240 cubic inch inline six. I didn't know they were that big of a deal.
And right now we have a lot of gas, but we're switched to the front fuel tank currently. But because it's dual tanks, we could go to the rear. You could go so far on a single, well, I guess that's 2 tanks of gas, technically.
It is.
But
I wonder how many gallons are in each tank.
But without having to stop, you could go a very long distance, hauling stuff with this torquey inline six.
We need to probably pull the book and see how many gallons are in there, but we'll probably add that in the write-up. This is a cool truck. Oh, does it?
Of course
2
it
horn
does.
buttons, and they still look like horns.
Oh, they're actual buttons. And they got little horns. And then what else do we have on the steering wheel?
Well, we got
Cruise
Cruise-O-Matic.
control. Cruise-O-Matic.
Cruise-O-Matic. I love saying Cruise-O-Matic. It's really simple, though. Everything works. That's the nice thing. This is man, I cannot believe this damn engine. I'm pretty excited about it.
It's a really nice truck.
It really drives nice.
Power locks, power windows.
What else do you want?
Keyless entry? Does it have keyless entry?
It does.
Oh,
No, it
tilt
does.
wheel.
Tilt wheel action.
We said that.
We should have said that. Oh, look, we can put stuff in there.
Oh, another little compartment. Man, this thing's chocked full of stuff.
Oh, that's the fuse box to my left. My goodness. When you think about it, it's good on gas mileage. It's got plenty of power. I mean, you're not going anywhere. I mean, where are you going to go? There's a police officer making go too, make it try don't go too fast. Hello, sir. This is a good little truck. And just knowing about this engine, this same engine goes into all those different baggage carrier tow trucks and
Like
all
at the
those.
airport?
Yes. I didn't realize that.
It's
I
just
read all
because
about
they're
it.
low maintenance,
And very
long-lasting engines.
Durable, durable, durable. Ooh, this has AC. You gotta love this truck.
Oh, of course it is AC.
I mean,
It is normal AC and max AC.
Oh, watch
In case you want to
yourself.
be extra cold.
Great.
Should we do a bean test?
We can do a little bean test. It's not going to go too far, but
No.
let's see what we do. Well, here we go.
It's certainly torquey. You can feel it.
Yeah, I mean, it's not on the ground, and I don't want it to be. Wow, we're at 50.
There's not a lot of beans,
Well,
but
hey.
there's some torquey beans.
It's got 260 foot-pounds of torque. Is a lot for this truck. You can put a lot of stuff in the back if you want to.
You could even probably tow like a little jet ski or something around if you wanted
Without
to.
question. Without question.
A little trailer, maybe a motorcycle.
Yep.
It'd be fine.
And it gets good gas mileage, which is very rare for a Ford F-150.
Yes.
But this motor, 300 cubic inches.
It's only 0.1 of a liter. Smaller than the 5.0 V8.
That's true. Well, by God, we'll just do a little bit of flyby.
Yes.
Not drive-by.
Not a drive-by, a
I
flyby.
gotta learn. I gotta learn.
Not a whole lot of theater, this truck, but boy, is it a classic.
It's a great truck. It's durable. The engine is called bulletproof by so many people. I think this is a wonderful truck for somebody. This is a really great truck. I wouldn't drive it in snow. Why would you though? It's too beautiful. You should drive it.
Yeah.
Let's go.